Hey guys, Tom here from Growth Hacker, and in this video I want to show you how you can use chatbots to slash your acquisition cost, okay? If you are a business that has a really big list of mobile numbers, this is a game changer for you guys, okay? The reason why, okay, if you have this big database and you have a list of people and you have their email and you have your contact number for them, without chatbots, you're really left with a couple of options. So you can send them an email out to them, which will get a very low open rate and an even lower reply rate. You'll probably only get access to like a percentage point of your audience. You can call them. Okay, but then again, unless you've got an absolutely huge sales team, which will have a big cost, you will only be able to access a very small percentage of your list. Or you could send an SMS, but if you go with the SMS, it's going to fall very similarly in the email front. For me, whenever I receive an SMS anymore, it is pretty much always spam. Okay, the only messaging tool that I use to communicate with people is WhatsApp, and as soon as I get an SMS through from a company, I don't even open it. Okay, so it's literally pouring money down the drain in most cases there. So what chatbots do is it falls in between the phone call and the email to allow you to create a fairly personalized experience and reach your customers en masse through WhatsApp. Okay, so I use this with a previous B2C startup that I was working on here in Dubai, Kids DXB. We had a database of 75,000 contacts, so of course we couldn't reach all of those through phone call, and when we sent emails we did get conversions, but not what we wanted. So we used a chatbot tool which allowed us to reach these contacts en masse via WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dive into the system that I used, or the tool that I used, and show you how this works and how you can use this to slash your acquisition costs. So I really hope that you find this useful. Let's have a look inside the laptop at the tools now. Okay guys, so the chatbot that I want to talk to you about, or the chatbot software, is Landbot. This is a company that I worked with on Kids DXB, and this is the tool that will allow you to automate your outreach. So just showing you first of all how chatbots work. What you're essentially making, and I know this probably looks a little bit crazy, this is a chatbot flow. Okay, so what this was, we had a kids sport and activities business. This was a chatbot flow that would literally answer any question that the customer may have. It would answer that through a flow. And what you can do is you can set up multiple choice questions so that people can then choose the area of your business that they want to ask questions about and get the answers to those questions. And what you can do is keep bringing them back to a menu where it basically says, hey, do you want to ask more questions, or are you ready to take the call to action? Whether this be for you, book an evaluation call, or for us, it was literally straight to payment. Okay, so you can literally build this out so that it takes care of your whole process for you. Now, that is great, and that helps, especially if you have a huge amount of contacts or of people inquiring with you. But the true beauty of this, guys, is in the fact that you can opt your contacts in and then send what's called proactive messages. So you can link up, Landbot allows you to link up to the WhatsApp Business API, and then you can opt in your subscribers. You can do this by getting them to click on a link and do it themselves if you feel that you're able to get engagement with your users and get them all to opt in. Or there is programmatic ways that you can take a big list and opt them all in as well. That is a little bit grey hat, so you have to be careful with it, but of course that means that then you get all your subscribers opted in. Now, once you have your subscribers opted in, you can make campaigns. So you can see we were doing some golf campaigns here. Let me just show you an example. So in this here, we sent this outbound sales message to an audience of 3243. It actually got sent to 2839 and was delivered, received by 2642, and we got 185 people reply, 6% reply rate. Like, if you've done much email marketing or anything like that, you will know that that is fantastic. Like, you're getting such a great reply rate. And the cost of this is not too expensive. So I think Landbot, when we were using it, was €1,000 to set up, and then €600 a month. I can't say that the prices may have gone up. I'm not sure. It is a really good tool, and one which I'd really recommend. I can see now that they've also added in integrations and stuff like that, so you'll be able to integrate this into a sales software if you're using something like that, which is a real bonus as well. So this is a way, guys, to reach big lists. As I said, we had 75,000 contacts in our list, and we would just take a portion of them, like a big group, like 3,000, and get a great reply rate. To be honest with you, I don't see us getting much better engagement with that if we phone them, okay? And think about how much less time it took just to send one message. Just in a click of a button, we can send all those messages out in one go. So if you have a big list of mobile numbers, guys, this is a great tool to use. If you need help getting this set up, you need your flow building, and you want to send these proactive messages, please let me know. I can get this all set up for you. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.